Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a multi-pin, and the multi-pin is the Zebra Sharbo X ST3. And this pin is a little bit different than some other multi-pins you might have run across, in that what it is you buy the body and then you buy the components separate. And so in this case, well, let's open it up and take a look at it. There we go. And it's the Sharbo, I guess Sharbo X. How do we get into this thing? That's kind of interesting. Alright. It's a bad sign when I'm stumped about the packaging. Oh, okay. There we go. Alright. So, interesting. Okay. So it's a metal body, and the pin runs about, I don't know, like $25, something like that. I'll include a link in the description to the pin and all the various bits you need to make it work. Alright. So, let's see. So it seems like you click around. Alright. So we unscrew something. We unscrew something. Alright. Now, as I knew this was coming, I was prepared. So you need, by the way, this takes 2 pins and a lead. It takes 2 pin refills and a lead refill. And the lead refill can't be not a lead, as I understand it. So let's open up the lead refill real quick. So this just goes on like so. Alright. Let's load it up with a black and a red one. Now, these look like D3 refills to D1. These look like D1 refills to me, but I have had awful time with Zebra pins that look like or are supposed to take D1 refills that don't. So, you know, be careful when it comes to that. Alright. So there's that one. Okay. And let's try... What do you think? Black or blue? Let's go with blue for a little variety. Normally it's red and black. We'll go with red and blue. So again, you just insert it in the little hole right there. Like so. Doesn't look like this is on tight. Alright, anyway. Let's screw this thing back on. See if we did it right. Alright. So we didn't. Apparently not at all. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, okay. So this is the problem. It wasn't sitting right somehow. Did not push it down far enough. Okay. Let's try it now. Okay, so there you go. So red, pencil, blue. Let's get to the pencil. Pencil seems to work out okay. Do we have an eraser? Maybe. We do have an eraser. You have a eraser that unscrews. Alright. It's kind of a cool multi-pin. I don't know how crazy I am about man. I wish. I'll tell you what. Let's try this out while we're doing it. Well, let's first of all test this one out. Let's test the. So this is the Zebra Sharbo X ST3. It doesn't write too bad. So I mean, like that Zebra refill isn't too bad. Zebra Sharbo X ST3 and pencil. I kind of like the twist option. So there you go. So that's not bad. So let me grab a. I'll tell you what. Let me grab my. This is the Fisher Quattro 4 multi-pin, and I have 2 Fisher Space Pen refills and a Lamy refill in here. So let's actually test this thing out and see if it'll take a standard D1 refill, because I have had the worst time ever with Zebra pens and the D1 refills. So let's see if it actually fits and works. Let's pull out the blue one. Let's pull out the blue one. And let's slip in this one. Alright. See if that actually works. It'll be kind of exciting if it does, because then if you like this particular pen, so that's the pencil, red, and no, it's not, it's sticking on that other one. Let me make sure. Yeah. Let me make sure it's all the way in there. Alright. I think it's all the way down, or it should be anyway. Let's screw it back together and see if it'll work. I'm not hopeful. Alright, so pencil. Oh. Okay. So it does work, I just didn't have it in all the way. So this is a test. Alright, that is actually awesome. Okay, so you can use the Fisher space pen refills, the multi-pin refills from the space pen, and this. That's neat. As pens go, it's a pretty comfortable pen to write with. I mean, it's got a good weight to it, and it's pretty solid. I think it's made of aluminum. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Have any of y'all tried this pen? Do you like it? Do you hate it? You think this little gap here makes it look kind of weird? I don't know. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.